guys, welcome to my vlog. Ito na naman, naglalakad naman kami ni Tommy sa aming every morning na routine guys. Kaya kami ni Tommy ay dito na, at hindi na pwede si Tommy pumasok dyan kasi may nakaano na guys, hindi na pwede siya pumunta dyan. Ito na kami guys. Morning walk is the best and good for the health, best for our body and relaxing our mind and burn fat, and also good for the heart. Kaya exercise na kayo guys, walking guys, walking tayo guys. Walking kami ni Tommy sa umaga guys. It's good for us. Sa mata. Na ako guys sa aming ni Tommy, sa aming lakad-lakad. Yan, kumain na naman siya guys. Wait Tommy, wait. Nag-ano kami ng kanyang taig guys, naghakot. Kami guys, pauwi na kami. We're going na home na guys. Ni Tommy. We're going home na guys ni Tommy guys. Yan. Walking si Tommy guys. May aso guys. Kontra ni Tommy guys. Yung aso is kontra niya. Pero sa Tommy. Pauwi na kami sa bahay. We're going home na guys. We're finished walking around here, around the street. Makulit si Tommy guys. Si Tommy is makulit. Si Tommy is makulit guys. Na home. We are home. Ang ganda ng mga dahon, green na green. Ang dahon namin kasi summer at walang maraming sasakyan ngayon dahil is Sunday. Kaya maganda yung namin ni Tommy. Maganda yung lakaran namin. Uwi na kami. Bye bye everyone. Love you all. Bye bye. Green na green yung namin guys. Yung mga dahon. Bye bye guys. Love you. Bye bye.